opening in 3 or 4 days. So I need to tidy my books, I need to tidy my pencils, I need to tidy my pencil cases. So I will show you how I tidy them. Let's go. Now let's open my cupboard. This is where I keep my books and pencil cases. Oh yeah. And my clay. I will just put it here for now. Let's clean up my books. I need to put everything here. We'll go and clean up my second book. These are all my first terms, girl. I don't need it right now, so I'm going to put it in this check. Now let me go and take my new books. Let's go. My father already wrote my name, second B, EVS term 2 and everything. I have to put the cover on there. I will go and take the cover now. My mother told me she would put the cover for all of my books. So we don't need to worry about that. We just put this. All finished. Now only have one thing to do. Put this into there. There we go. It's all done. Do you remember this pouch, friends? Oh yeah, I made it in one of the videos. Now I'm going to put rubbers and sharpeners and scales in this one. Cool. Actually, do I need to? No. And one more sharpener. How many sharpeners do I have? There we go. The first pencil bar is enough. Let's put it in the cupboard. Stay there. How many glue sticks are there anyways? I'm going to put the rubber bands in here. Also, it's larger because now I am ready to go to online class. If my teacher tells something to write it down, I write it in this. I write enough. And now I won't blast it, lose it real quick. This is my holder. In one I put my activities. In the second one I maybe put some of my school supplies. And in the third one I maybe put a little so get it toys. This blackboard is really dirty, so we are going to clean it up. Because my teacher tells us to take your blackboard and write something in it. Mine's going to be really dirty. Ooh, that's a lot. And now I have lit this up right because you guys are such nice people. It is the house. It's all completed. It's a school project. Me and my mother made this. This is so cool. I have a goat over here eating my grass. Don't eat it. And the cow over here eating my grass as well. My bedroom. This is my bedroom and this is a swimming pool. These are some rabbits. This is the front area. You can go like this. And here is where the swimming pool is. And there's some grass over here. They want to eat it. And here is my bedroom, like in real life. If you go there and go inside, there's actually a door. Do you like it, friend? Me and my mother work really hard to make this house. And I forgot to tell you, there's a chimney as well. So Santa came, he could go through the chimney. I made a video making this whole house. I'll upload that video soon as possible. So when I upload that, go and watch it. This is the carport. So if you have a car, you can put it in there. I don't have any toy cars because I'm a girl. I'm not a boy. My mother is ironing the uniforms right now. Everything is ironed now. Let's put it on the hanger. This uniform. Put it like this, like that, and the other. There we go. Now let's put the inside one. Let's put this one. And this one. There we go. This is my PE uniform. Let's put this over here. Put this all on hanger. Now we need to go to the bedroom. I have two things to upload to my teacher. Before that, I will show you how I always take Zoom classrooms. I have to go to Google Classroom and then I have to do something there and then I'm going to be ready for school. Did you all enjoy this video? If you do, like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye!